Hey, Chuck here from Pals. Well, I'm at the last Villages car show, and as you can see, because they're getting ready to redo Spanish Springs for you people who live in the Villages, and of course everybody knows that, so they had an incredible turnout here at the car show. But the most beautiful car here, well, that's the car that you've seen plenty of video of at the shop as we were working on it over the last year. So as you can see, it shows quite well, and it's beautiful. And he's a member of the Central Florida T-Bird Club, and we've got another T-Bird, another one in front of it. And gosh, these cars are absolutely gorgeous. So if you have a classic car, antique car, if you have any kind of old car, muscle car, bring it to Pals. We work on everything. Ferraris, Maseratis, we restore T-Birds. On this car, we rewired the car, turned it into an E-Bird with two 4-barrels. It's got the regular teapot carburetors on it. And also, we added air conditioning and rewired the car. And as you can see, it's been something else. Anyway, if you've got a classic car or muscle car, bring it to Pals. We hope to see you soon.